The STEM Gym experience is a learning center for kids interested in science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM Gym caters to children 6 through about 14 or 15. The vision that we have is to help underserved kids, any kid that has not had access to technology, be it coding, drone building, robotics, regular science experiments and plans, to make sure that no kid gets left behind. They may not like math, or they may not like reading, or they may not like science. But when you can break it down into little compartments, you learn it, but you learn it a little bit subconsciously. It's very important to have fun while you're learning and to be in a safe environment. We can monitor everything that they're doing. We make sure that they do have access to healthy food options, working out, being outside, whether you're homeschooled, charter school, Tulsa Public Schools. This is a place that you could all come and learn and benefit from coming here.